Hey team, I'm Stuart Taylor from Influential PMO, and I'm here to support my colleagues in the project community. My contact details are in the description, so if you've got a problem on a project and no one to discuss it with, let me know. If I can help, I will. If there's specific content you want to see on this channel, put it in the comments. This channel's here to help you. So have you ever been to a steering committee that gets derailed halfway through because a topic that everyone thought was agreed and finalised in a previous meeting has been reopened, is now distracting the entire meeting from the planned flow of its discussion? Or someone starts arguing they didn't make a commitment to a particular course of action or take ownership of a task, and the meeting descends into finger pointing and having to reassign what is now a late activity? There's an easy way to avoid this, but it involves a little bit of preemptive action. Firstly, somebody at the meeting should be capturing minutes, or at the very least capturing an action and decision log. For the purpose of this video, I'll just refer to either of those options as minutes. A short time after the meeting, the minutes should be sent out to all participants and absent members. In most cases, they get chucked at the audience, sometimes buried within emails. I've already created a short video explaining why that's bad practice. The link's in the description. So let's rewind a little, and instead you send out the minutes in an email that's calling out the presence of the minutes in the subject header, and in the body, it's inviting feedback on any challenges or amendments. Then you send the final agreed minutes from the previous meeting out to the membership, again, as an attachment with the agenda and pack for the next meeting. At your new meeting, you set the very first agenda item as being to review minutes from the previous meeting. Now for a sad truth that you'd probably already guessed. Despite all of the effort that's gone into writing those minutes and sharing them, most of the people on the board won't have read them. At best, they will have skimmed them to see if their name's listed against any actions. So at the start of the meeting, they're being given a last chance to challenge the contents. If there are any challenges or adjustments, that's absolutely fine. If the board agrees, capture them in the new minutes as a decision and update the previous set of minutes to version 2.0. If the board agrees with the original version, then capture that as a decision too. After that point, it becomes much harder to contest previous commitments and decisions. You can always refer back to the minutes in the event of a disagreement and see what was captured, and then you can even point to a decision in the next meeting where the board agreed that the minutes were accurate. Over time, putting the minutes at the start of the agenda will force behaviours to change. When members notice the board is holding them to account, they'll start to take the minutes more seriously. They'll take the meeting more seriously, and hopefully you'll have better outcomes from those meetings. If you get a chance, go and check out some of the other videos on this channel to do with meetings and steercos. You might find them useful too. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you really loved the video and you don't want to miss any new content, hit the subscribe button. Have a great day, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time.